Alright guys, so I'll give you guys a quick tour on what 3D printers I got and what I use for 3D printing. So what you guys are looking at right now is the Bambu Lab P1S, and I have something printing here. So just a quick hint on what I got 3D printing here. It's related to Pokemon. So, and this is actually something that you guys can actually use from day to day. So make sure you guys subscribe and so you guys can find out what 3D print this is. So this is actually very handy to use, and it's Pokemon related, and this is pretty much the same thing, but I just got it 3D printing in two different PLA colors. I just love the shade of this one, but yeah, so this is pretty much the same thing. Better look at what it's going to be. If you guys have any guesses, let me know, and comment in the comment section. But again, this is related to Pokemon, and it's something that you can use day to day. So, but yeah, I got two Bambu Lab P1S's, you guys can see, and I also have a Bambu Lab P2S as well. And moving down here, I also have an Anycubic Cobra S1. Here it is. And in this guy, I got something finished up already. So this is actually a part of a helmet that I will also be making a video of. So again, make sure you guys subscribe. That way you guys are updated on what projects I got going on. And that way I could give you guys an idea on what projects that you guys might want to try out doing with your 3D printing. So I also have an Anycubic Photon M3 Max, which is a resin 3D printer, and I have three Anycubic Cobra 2 Maxes, and these are actually the 3D printers I use, especially when I'm 3D printing large 3D prints, just like my life-size Bugs Bunny and my life-size Raichu. And I also have a Iron Man suit. Here's the helmet. The rest of the suit is downstairs actually. I will be bringing it up here very soon. But yeah, that's just an idea on what I use for 3D printers with my 3D printing projects. But yeah, hope this video was helpful, give you guys an idea on what you guys might want to get for 3D printers. But yeah. All right, so let's check out this 3D print. One of my Bambu Lab P1S's is done 3D printing, so let's check it out. And that looks awesome. So this is Geodude from Pokemon, and this 3D print of Geodude is actually a very useful 3D print as well. So this you can actually use from day to day. So I ended up using a blue filament for this 3D print of Geodude because I do not have a gray filament at the moment to match Geodude's actual color. So, but I mean, I'm very happy with the blue. The blue looks awesome. So I still need to 3D print the eyes for Geodude, but that's gonna be very quick to 3D print. But let's go ahead and check them out. So, right, awesome. And I'm assuming, yeah, the supports are gonna come right off. And that's usually how it goes with the Bambu Lab 3D printers. Whenever you use supports, they tend to come off very, very easily, which I love about the Bambu Lab 3D printers, especially the Bambu Lab P1S, which is what I used to 3D print this. Sweet. All right, here we go. Again, no issues removing the supports. Very nice and easy to remove. Okay. Easy peasy. All right, so we got the hole up here, which I will show you guys what for. So it's gonna be for these guys here. So these are actually the hooks. So I'm just gonna glue these together, and after, you're just gonna screw right into here. But yeah, if you guys wanna check out the finished product for Geodude here, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel and turn on those notifications, and yeah, check out the assembly process and what this Geodude clothes hanger is gonna look like. But yeah. All right, so here are the Geodude clothes hangers 3D prints, and they came out fantastic. Now I gotta say, this blue is actually my favorite actually right now. And here is also a closer 3D filament color for Geodude, but yeah, really nice. So it's really nice that you can actually screw these out as well, these hangers, and replace them with a different color if you want to change up the colors a little bit more, mix it up a little bit. But I mean, overall, this 3D print is awesome. So let's go ahead and test it out. All right, so here is a polo shirt with a regular, clothes hanger. Really not that interesting. But let's try out the Geodude 3D print clothes hanger, and let's see if there's any difference. Okay. All right guys, so right off the bat, as you guys can see, very cool. And yeah, I am just loving this. This is just so much fun. So the Geodude clothes hanger really holds the shirt very nice and steady and stable. You guys can see, no issues whatsoever. So let's try out this other one here. But yeah, I'm loving this blue filament for Geodude. Looks very nice. So let's try this one. Again, it's pretty much just like, using a regular clothes hanger, but it just looks a lot cooler. Look at this. That is very cool. Yeah, I'm definitely going to be 3D printing more of these Geodude clothes hangers. Very cool. I love it. But yeah, highly recommend you guys 3D printing your very own Geodude clothes hanger. And yeah, happy 3D printing, guys.